Chairman SCCP, Chairman Pakistan Stock Exchange, CEO Pakistan Stock Exchange, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu Alaikum. It gives me great pleasure in being part of a momentous event today at the Gong ceremony of Pakistan Agro Packaging Limited, marking the first listing on the Growth Enterprise Market Board of the PSC. As we celebrate the first listing on the GEM board, I congratulate not only the management of Pak Agro Packaging Limited, but also the board members and management of Pakistan Stock Exchange and the Securities and Exchange Commission of Pakistan, who have worked tirelessly in converting this dream into reality. SMEs play a very important role in the nation's development, acting as a source for employment creation and income generation. SMEs in Pakistan are playing an important role in the economic growth of the country, as statistics indicate that 3.3 million registered businesses in the SME sector play an important role in the country's economic revival and social development. SME play a vital role in reducing poverty and boosting GDP. Contribution of small and medium enterprises to Pakistan GDP stands at estimated 40%. And its share in non-agricultural labor force is around 80%. It is not a sector that can be ignored, and we want to develop our economy. Pakistan's SME sector has remained largely undocumented, but listings of SME can help ensure a significant portion of this informal sector becomes a part of the regulated and documented sector. Excuse me. Access to equity and debt financing has been recognized as a major obstacle in SME's growth and development because the SME sector is largely undocumented. Majority of the SMEs do not maintain a full and complete financial record that can be used by financial institutions to evaluate their creditworthiness. Lack of accurate and credible information on SMEs discourages financial institutions from lending to SMEs at favorable rates. To curb this information anomaly, I must commend our government's and SCCP's efforts to document our economy. SCCP in September 2021 alone registered 2,223 new companies, which was up by 20% over same period last year. With the availability of complete and accessible information, newly registered small and medium enterprises, startups, etc., will greatly benefit from the financial service to help them grow while contributing to the growth and development of our nation's economy simultaneously. To facilitate capital availability to SMEs, Pakistan Stock Exchange introduced this Growth Enterprise Market Board for such companies to list and raise capital that is low-cost capital and does not require debt servicing, which is a burden on companies. GEM board facilitates such companies which would otherwise have to obtain debt financing from banks and other financial institutions. Support and assistance from the SCCP to iron out regulations aim to encourage our SMEs to participate in getting listed. Accredited investors can invest in growth companies opting to raise capital by listing on the GEM board of Pakistan Stock Exchange. This shall help accredited investors in diversifying their investment portfolios and benefit from the growth potential of such companies. The first listing on the GEM board is a positive development, and I would recommend SMEs to come forward to avail this opportunity to raise capital through the Securities Exchange. Many export-oriented firms should avail these opportunities as they can better plan and expand effectively through equity financing at the PSX. and enhance their operational capability, which will help increase our nation's exporting potential in times ahead. Now let me talk about some of the things which have been raised by Farooq Khan. Absolutely, I think tax incentives, we have to rationalize them. I think we have to make sure that, investment in this country just improves, and investment in this country in productive sectors. Well, I am not against, the real estate sector, and that obviously also has its own benefits to the economy, because as you know that, the housing sector, benefits around 40 industries, and also it creates a lot of employment. But, we have to make sure that, that those benefits are aligned with other sectors, productive sectors of the economy, and the capital is not diverted entirely to the real estate sector. And we also have seen in the past, and this is an important announcement I'm making, that, people are just investing in land. They buy plots and they just lie there for years and years. And that is, productive capital sunk into dead assets. So we will be coming up with some kind of taxes which will be applied on those dead assets, so that the money can be, recycled to the other sectors of the economy. When you talk about the SOEs, I absolutely agree with you. I think what we have been, seeing a phenomena, which is the circular debt phenomena, which has choked, some of our public sector companies, especially the energy, and we are in the process of unlocking that. So you will see that, the petroleum companies and some of the power companies, they will basically, who are listed, will suddenly see a lot of activity, and that is needed because, OGDC, trading 3.5 and dividend is 18%, doesn't make sense. So I think we will be doing something over there, and that will help your stock exchange because they are heavyweights. You talked about development of, debt market. Yes, of course. The debt market was supposed to be developed by, by companies like Park Kuwait, Park Oman, the joint investment companies, because they are AAA rated. And they had to go and just raise debt, in the market, And then, of course, some of them could have been, listed as well. But they have not, they have not been doing what they should have been doing. But, we will be now making sure that, we just get them in the right direction. But also the REITs, and we are encouraging REITs now. And there will be a lot of REITs. Why? Because this National Asset Management Authority, which has been formed and which is in the finance division now, we will be using REITs as a mechanism to unlock the real estate potential of assets in the public sector, and those will be listed. And as we list those companies, I think the capitalization of stock exchange will just go up rapidly. I would also like to encourage you, the remarks you made about expanding the investor base. I mean, 350,000 investors in such a large country doesn't make sense. So I think I would encourage that you also look at what happens in your environment. Why is that people have no faith in or not too many people have faith in stock exchange? I think this country should have millions of investors in this stock market. I think that is a challenge for you. And as far as the Federal Board of Revenue is concerned, I can assure you they will give you all the support. I think, Farooq Khan, you've been working very hard, I think, under the leadership of the SEC